Hi, I'm Mauri Katarina and I deep clean my followers' homes for free. This home was really dirty and I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Because for me, the dirtier, the better. A few years ago, a dad of two, Pete, bought this small house and completely renovated it. He renovated the kitchen, changed the flooring and renovated the bathroom and started to rent out the house. He soon found a renter for it, a nice young man who worked as a chef. He was well behaved, kind and quiet and lived a normal life in this house, or so it seemed. Sometimes Pete would see him around and asked him if everything was okay with the house. The renter assured Pete that everything was just fine and that he likes the house. It was just an ordinary Wednesday in November, and after 2 years of living in the house, the renter called a cleaning company to get the house cleaned. The cleaner arrived as scheduled and was shocked. She contacted Pete, who then went to see the house. After arriving at the house, Pete was also shocked about the state of the house. All the renovated surfaces were ruined. Washing machines and drawers clogged. The kitchen was covered in grease and filled with bugs. Pete was desperate and posted some pictures of the house on Facebook, because it was going to be a huge bill for his family to pay for cleaning. My friends saw those pictures and suggested me to clean it, and I was more than excited. I don't judge the renter and neither does Pete. He said that the guy seemed so normal on the outside. Usually these people seem normal and can hide their reality really well. It is so sad. Luckily, I was able to help this house owner, and the renter has probably also received some help after this case. Now the house is clean and nice. Voila!